Welcome to English Quiz Grammar.
In today's video, you'll test your knowledge of possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Can you answer all 20 questions correctly? Let's get started. Which sentence is correct? A. This is my book. B. This is mine book. The correct answer is A. This is my book. Which sentence is correct? A. This pencil is mine. B. This pencil is mine. The correct answer is B. This pencil is mine. Which sentence is correct? A. Thomas looking for his keys. B. Thomas looking for his keys. The correct answer is A. Thomas looking for his keys. Which sentence is correct? A. That red bicycle is her. B. That red bicycle is hers. The correct answer is B. That red bicycle is hers. Which sentence is correct? A. We love our teacher. B. We love ours teacher. The correct answer is A. We love our teacher. Which sentence is correct? A. The blue house is our. B. The blue house is ours. The correct answer is B. The blue house is ours. Which sentence is correct? A. Sarah forgot hers umbrella. B. Sarah forgot her umbrella. The correct answer is B. Sarah forgot her umbrella. Which sentence is correct? A. Is this notebook yours? No, it isn't mine, it's Jack's. B. Is this notebook yours? No, it isn't my, it's Jack's. The correct answer is A. Is this notebook yours? No, it isn't mine, it's Jack's. Which sentence is correct? A. The children cleaned their room. B. The children cleaned theirs room. The correct answer is A. The children cleaned their room. Which sentence is correct? A. Those bags belong to the students, they are theirs. B. Those bags belong to the students, they are theirs. The correct answer is B. Those bags belong to the students, they are theirs. Which sentence is correct? A. I have my ticket, do you have yours? B. I have my ticket, do you have yours? The correct answer is B. I have my ticket, do you have yours? Which sentence is correct? A. Emily loves her grandparents very much. B. Emily loves her grandparents very much. The correct answer is B. Emily loves her grandparents very much. Which sentence is correct? A. My brother has a new laptop, but I don't like my. B. My brother has a new laptop, but I don't like mine. The correct answer is B. My brother has a new laptop, but I don't like mine. Which sentence is correct? A. The dog is wagging its tail. B. The dog is wagging its tail. The correct answer is A. The dog is wagging its tail. Which sentence is correct? A. Your answers are correct, but ours are not. B. Your answers are correct, but ours are not. The correct answer is B. Your answers are correct, but ours are not. Which sentence is correct? A. Maria and Anna finished theirs homework before dinner. B. Maria and Anna finished their homework before dinner. The correct answer is B. Maria and Anna finished their homework before dinner. Which sentence is correct? A. I found my phone, but David can't find his. B. I found my phone, but David can't find him. The correct answer is A. I found my phone, but David can't find his. Which sentence is correct? A. This seat is occupied. That one is your. B. This seat is occupied. That one is yours. The correct answer is B. This seat is occupied. That one is yours. Which sentence is correct? A. The white cat is ours, and the black one is there. B. The white cat is ours, and the black one is theirs. The correct answer is B. The white cat is ours, and the black one is theirs. Which sentence is correct? A. This pen is mine, and that one is yours. B. This pen is mine, and that one is yours. The correct answer is B. This pen is mine, and that one is yours. That's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more English grammar quizzes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.